How to reduce size of a PDF file. So if you want to reduce the size of a PDF file, then what you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to go with your search, and under search, you need to search for PDF Gadget. Once you've searched, you need to go with pdfgadget.com, which is a free online PDF compressor. So you just need simply scroll down, and here you will have compressed PDF. In order to reduce your file size while maintaining the quality, you need to go with compressed PDF. Close, and then here you need to select a PDF file to compress. Once you find your PDF file, you need to click on open, and after that go with the compression level if you want high or low, and then click on compress PDF, and it will start compressing the PDF. Once it's done, you need to go with download compressed PDF, and it will be downloaded. So that's how you can reduce size of a PDF file, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.